Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6.
Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I have been sick lately, so I haven't been posting on my usual schedule. Thought it'd be really excuse to make a makeup tutorial on how to, I don't know how I'm gonna word this. Look good when you're sick? I don't know, but yeah, this is a makeup tutorial. I'm feeling much better right now, and this is what I've been doing just to make myself feel better. I know that when I'm sick, I like to put on makeup just to make myself feel better, and I like to get out of the house, maybe like go get Starbucks or something. I'm gonna show you how I got this look. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll link all my social media down below for you to go follow me. And let's get into it. Before I start my makeup, I want to show you this product I've been using. It's by Bliss, and it's In the Honey Mega Moisturizing Lavender Honey Mask. And it comes in this little bottle. You can get this at Target. It looks like this. It just moisturizes your face, and it's really amazing because you know how you just, like when you're sick, you just keep blowing your nose and it's like disgusting? And then your face turns out like really dry and like, what's the word? Like crusty and stuff, so that's not cute. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use Aquaphor today. I've been using this on my face but never like under my makeup, but I saw that Suede Brooks uses it as a moisturizer, so I thought I would. It's very thick, so I'm only gonna apply a little bit. I'm just gonna warm it up in my hands and apply it to my skin. I heard this makes a lot of people cringe, but I just think it's an amazing idea. I need a little bit more because I have really dry skin in the winter time, and it's just nasty, and you can see it in photos, and it's not a cute time. I'm gonna put some chapstick on. This is by Simple Truth Organic, and it's the Strawberry Lavender Lip Balm. I keep forgetting to do that to make it focus. Okay. That's just to moisturize my lips before I go into makeup. Foundation, I'm gonna be using my Bali Body BB cream. It's my favorite. I use it in the summer, so it might be kind of dark for me, but it's fine. I really want something light today, so I'm just gonna add a little bit and just warm it up my hands and apply. So I just realized I wasn't recording. Fun. So yeah, I use this Age Rewind concealer. It's in the shade Ivory. Looks like that. It's really nice. I love how it has like a little cushiony sponge, so it's really easy to apply. Yeah, I just apply it in these areas just to make my foundation a little even, and then I blend it out. Now I'm going to be setting everything with my NYX finishing powder. It's a pressed powder. It's really nice. And I'm just be setting everywhere that I concealed. Moving on to eyebrows, I tried to get closer, but I'm basically just gonna brush them up like that. And it's kind of a process because my brows kind of suck. But I kind of just follow an outline. Oh, that's fun. And I kind of just make an arch and then like kind of like fill in right here and fluff it out a little bit. I'll come back when they're done because it's a process. If you want to see a separate tutorial on that, let me know. So I'm done with my eyebrows. I do like my eyebrows pretty thick, but I swear this one isn't as dark as the other one. It's just the lighting coming in this way. But yeah, we're gonna move on to bronzer. I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This stuff smells like a tropical island. It smells so, I can't really smell right now, but it smells really good from what I can hear, or what I can see. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of contour. I'm also gonna be using this as an eyeshadow as well. Then for blush, I'm gonna use this Milani blush, and it's in the shade Romantic Rose. I've always wanted to try Milani blushes, so. Just a natural mauve pink. I'm actually gonna go back with my Milani blush and use it as an eyeshadow because I'm really like loving the look. highlighter, I'm going to show you my favorite duo right now. I'm using the Malibu palette by Lorac, and I'm using Beach House and Afternoon Rose and mixing those together. Just like that. Nothing too crazy. I'm not a huge fan of the blinding highlight. It's just not me. Try to do underneath the brow too. So pretty, guys. And I'm gonna go into mascara. I'm gonna do this off camera though. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup, the Kush Mascara. But first I'm going to set my face again with my NYX powder, and I just dabbed the powder everywhere basically. Just to set the face. Then after mascara, I lastly slapped on my Tarte Buff. Wow, slapping on did not sound cute. And then I'm gonna be setting my face with my Ofra Makeup Fixer. And then we're done. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it and you want more videos just like this. I did cut my hair, so I'm probably gonna do a video all about how I style my short hair and bangs. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. I just did this out of nowhere. I don't know why, I just felt like it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.
Now, give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the six, you wanna dine in the six.